If you want to improve your writing directly inside Microsoft Word, Grammarly makes that process fast, simple, and incredibly convenient. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Grammarly in Microsoft Word step by step using the desktop version, which is the recommended method because it is easy to maintain and can also work across other apps on your computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is the official Grammarly desktop download page, and from here you can get the installer for either Windows or Mac. Once the page loads, choose the correct version for your device and download the setup file. After the download finishes, open the installer and run it. On Windows, that usually means opening the downloaded file and following the setup prompts. On Mac, you may need to drag Grammarly into your Applications folder, depending on the installation instructions that appear. As the installation finishes, Grammarly will usually launch a browser window and ask you to sign in. This is where you log into your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password, or continue with the sign-in method you normally use. If you are new to Grammarly, you can create an account during this step. Once you are signed in, allow Grammarly to finish connecting to your computer. This part is important because it links the desktop app to your account and enables the suggestions to appear while you type. Now that Grammarly is installed, open Microsoft Word. You can use any document you want, whether it is a blank page, a school assignment, a work report, or something you are editing. Once Word is open and Grammarly is active, you should see the floating Grammarly G widget near your text or along the side of the document. This little widget is your quick access point for suggestions, writing assistance, and corrections. Now start typing in your Word document. As you write, Grammarly will begin analyzing your text in real time. If it spots a grammar issue, spelling mistake, punctuation problem, clarity issue, or other writing suggestion, the widget will update and show a number. That number tells you how many suggestions are available. When you see that number, click the Grammarly widget to open the sidebar. Inside the sidebar, you'll see the suggestions listed one by one, and you can review each one before applying it. This is where Grammarly becomes really useful. Instead of manually checking every sentence, you can quickly accept suggested fixes with a click. If a suggestion looks right, apply it. If you want to keep your original wording, you can ignore it. That flexibility makes it easy to write naturally while still polishing your document as you go. It is especially helpful for emails, essays, proposals, reports, and any other document where you want to sound more professional and avoid small mistakes. If you do not see the Grammarly widget right away, make sure Grammarly Desktop is open and running in the background. You may also need to confirm that Word is supported on your device and that Grammarly has the correct permissions. In most cases, once it is installed and signed in, it should begin working automatically in Word without much extra setup. If needed, you can reopen Grammarly Desktop from your Applications or taskbar and then return to Word. Another helpful tip is to keep Grammarly updated so you get the latest features and improvements. Since this is the desktop version, it is easier to maintain than browser-only tools, and it can help across other applications too, not just Microsoft Word. That means once you have it installed, you can use the same writing assistance in different places throughout your workflow. So, to quickly recap, go to grammarly.com/desktop, download the Windows or Mac installer, install the app, sign into your Grammarly account, then open Microsoft Word and start typing. Click the Grammarly G widget whenever you want to review suggestions and apply fixes. That's the full process for installing and using Grammarly in Microsoft Word the easy way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that save you time and make software easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.